G'day, I'm Wayne from Minelab. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the GPX 5000 to achieve the best results and increase your customer's chance in finding gold. There are 6 toggle switches on the front of the control box and an LCD menu on the back. We're going to start with the toggle switches on the front. For ground balance, it is best to use tracking, as this will configure the GPX to automatically update the ground balance as you detect. The GPX 5000 comes standard with 11-inch monolink coil and an 11-inch double D coil. You set the coil selector switch depending on the coil you have attached to the detector at the time. The type of coil can be easily identified by the sticker on top of the coil. For soil and timings, you should always use normal. Unless the environmental conditions don't allow it, then use enhanced. For search mode, general will give the best result when searching for shallow and deep gold. The deep setting will ignore all shallow gold and may result in less finds. The detector threshold should always be at 50%. As there are no indicators on the dial, turn it all the way up, then all the way down and set it in the middle. Finally, for this side, perform an auto tune. Press the button and then hold the coil above the ground until you hear 3 beeps, and this may take up to 60 seconds. Now for more advanced users, on the LCD menu there are only 2 things that you should adjust, the RX gain and the target volume. The RX gain is set to 8 and should only go up high if the environment allows it. The target volume should be set at 17. The last thing you want to do before you detect is do a quick ground balance. Hold in the green button on the handle and pump the coil above the ground until the sound stabilises. And that's it, the GPX 5000 is now ready to go detecting. Thanks for watching.